notes for the video over there, man.
Something like that. I want to do something different today. So one thing that I do like in my spare time, I just go to food pantries just to volunteer. Not as FitMenCook, but just as Kevin. Especially when I need like a reset. And it just kind of led me down like this rabbit hole. I think they said it was like 55% more people are going to food pantries now across the nation. The one that I go to, I couldn't get a box today. I just was looking at some of the common ingredients, and I was thinking that maybe I could try to build a recipe from that. Anyway, I thought we could do that today. But I'm shopping right now online to speed it up, so let's go.
All right, let's do it.
I got my grocery list, under $10. Let's see what we can do. 10 bucks. Got the most common ingredients that come in the pantry, in the food pantry boxes. So we're gonna grab some of those things first. Pasta, here it is. So let's get the whole wheat. We're gonna skip the marinara. Those are $3 and $4. Just gonna go with the crushed tomatoes. Oh God, 300 to 90. Let's just do this one and then add in our own salt. 1, 2. This is the cheapest onion. Garlic. Spinach, spinach, spinach. This thing is $2. I hate to say it, but when people say sometimes that it's too expensive to eat healthy, they really do kind of like make it just a decision point. And if you're annoyed by this conversation, then you need to be thankful that you don't have to be thinking about that. I'm gonna put this in the maybe, add some greens to it, because maybe we can buy some frozen spinach. Meanwhile, spinach is $2 for that small thing. This is $1.50 for 6 Pop-Tarts, and $2.50, like a 12. Toaster pastry, so science is always gonna win. See if we'll have better luck here in the frozen food section. We're just looking for green, something green to put in here. It's $1.69. This is gonna be our best bet to add some green to it. We're at about $6 now. That's without taxes, so we don't have that much money to spare if we wanna add some meat. Nothing is gonna meet the budget. Oh, you want smoked turkey sausage? Yeah. Usually to add more flavor, you wanna cook it in broth, but broth is gonna inflate the price. So we're gonna buy some ramen and use the packet to flavor. I'm actually gonna put that one back.
You don't want this?
Yes, ma'am, it can't be on the budget. We're trying to get under $10.
Oh, okay.
Let's see them savings drop. I put in my code. We'll rock with it. Yeah, I think the tax got us. It's good. I was hoping for around $8. Good Lord, the price of food is going up, man. All right, man. Here we go. We got our $9.75 meal here. First thing, let's quickly prep the ingredients. Take out the seasoning package, chop up the sausage, then the onion, smash up the garlic, and chop it up too. Okay. This is gonna be a super easy one-pot wonder meal. Fire up a pot, put it on medium-high heat, in goes a little bit of olive oil, in goes the turkey sausage. Cook the sausage for a few minutes until sear marks appear along the edges. We're gonna add in the onion, garlic, and don't worry if the bottom starts to brown. And then add all the rest of the ingredients. And add in flavor packet, ramen noodles, a whole wheat pasta. Pour in a few cups of water and bring everything to a gentle simmer. Add a pinch of sea salt and pepper and continue stirring with tongs as the pasta softens to make sure it's not sticking together. Most kitchens have these, but if you have it, a little bit of Italian seasoning. Cover and cook this. And you can add more liquid if needed, but you shouldn't if the heat is just right. Season to taste with sea salt and pepper and enjoy this $2 meal. It's a really good meal, and you know what? I'm also feeling really like sentimental because we can debate the language of health and what wellness is to so many people, and we can debate that like all day long. We actually put a label on what health and wellness is, and people are like, whoa, why are you serving up pasta and sausage to people? That's not healthy, Kevin. First off, grow up. I'm never gonna tell the person who can't afford to go and buy organic chicken and garbanzo bean pasta, that they can't serve a meal like this to nourish themselves and nourish their family. At least they're doing what they can with the most fresh ingredients as possible within their budget. So that's why I'm feeling like really sentimental about this particular dish, just because I know we're cooking with ingredients that a lot of people from the food pantry had to cook with. Continue to do what we do and try to help everyone live healthier and happier.
Just a good meal, man.
It's just a really
It's
good
just a
meal.
darn good meal.
Yeah. Hopefully this video inspired you the same way that it inspires me. It inspires both of us to keep on doing what we do. All right, y'all, from my kitchen to your kitchen, keep it healthy, but of course, never, ever boring. Ooh! Bye, y'all.